times, and every child that reaches out for someone to hold, for a moment they become mine. And how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on, when every second and every minute another song is gone? And I believe that in my life I will see an end to hopelessness, or giving up yourself. Then we all stand together this one time, then no one can behind. Stand up for life. Stand up and hear me sing. Stand up for life. And every day, that's how I know that things are gonna change. So how can I pretend that I don't know what's ahead, when every second and every minute another soul is gone? And I believe that in my life I will see an end to hopelessness, or giving up for suffering. And we all stand together this one time, then no one will get behind. Stand up for life. Stand up for love. And it all starts right here. And it starts right now. One person stands your hand, and the rest will follow. For all you got, for all you love, I'll sing this song. That in my life I will see hopelessness, or giving up, or suffering. Then we all stand together this one time, then no one will get behind. Stand up for life. Stand up and see. Stand Grabe! Thank you, Quezon City, Pampanga, sa mga Kapampangan. Grabe kayo mag-welcome. Sobrang thank you po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, initake ko na rin po itong chance na ito para I love you so many much. Super, super, duper. Nabuburo na ako sa inyo. Ayan, initake ko na po itong chance na ito para magpasalamat sa inyong lahat, sa mga kababayan po ni Coach Apple, sa mga nag-vote po sa akin sa The Voice of the Philippines Season 2. Kung wala po kayo, hindi po ako makakaabot sa knockout rounds, battle rounds, live shows, at sa higit sa lahat, sa top 4 points, sa top 2. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, parang nananahimik yung mga nasa gilid eh. Paano ba humingi yung mga nasa gilid? Grabe yan naman pinakamalakas. Speechless sila. Nakakahingal ah.
Kaya mo yan!
Thank you, solidarity sa natin. Asa na yung music? Nahiya na rin yung music.